Okay, I'll just show you how to stream music through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Honda Civic Type R. First of all, we go to our music over here. We'll go Linda Ronstadt, click on that, click on the tune. You'll see there at the bottom, I'm going to turn that down, but you'll see there's a silver triangle and 3 silver circles at the top, kind of a broadcast symbol, and Honda HFT. If I just click on that, that's where it gives you the opportunities for AirPlay and what system to do it on. So there's a tick next to Honda HFT. Whatever I play audio on this will come through the system in the car if it's set up correctly. So it's turned down at the moment, it's playing. Over here, if I go to audio, that's showing source there, and that's USB in. Now on the Honda, the USB in is under here. It's under the gear tunnel, and to be honest, I only saw it by accident when I was cleaning the footwell. Otherwise, I'd never known it was there. However, so we want Bluetooth. We want the phone to play. It's on USB. You've got source here. Click source. That gives you all the systems you can connect to, audio apps. You've got the phone there. I think that's for perhaps Apple CarPlay, but it has to be plugged in. But we've got the Bluetooth symbol here. So click on Bluetooth. That's it. Different drum. If I turn this up and then turn this up, that's it. Here's me trying to turn the volume up from here, from the heater control, and the actual volume in here is on either on the steering wheel or here, just there. Volume up and down.